everyone, it's Blondie here from Various Wigs and Hair Extensions Limited. I'm just showing you now how I've restyled this wig on myself and done an install and makeup look for you all. As you can see, I'm just about to put my Got To Be, I really love that glue. And as I've realised now, the thinner you put on, the better it sticks down. So as you can see, I'm just putting thin layers on and I'm just smearing that on thinly, and it dries very quickly. Now I've got the wig on, I'm just pressing. Best thing to do, press as hard as you can all the way around. Just keep pressing. Normally I would have put setting lotions on, but I'm using my heated rollers. And I've also found out setting lotion no good for 24 hours, so I'm not doing that one again. Now I'm using my heated rollers. These are from, I think they're from 1980s. I've had them for quite a long time. When you're really in a rush, they come in handy. And as you can see today, I was in a rush, but I didn't get a chance to even get to do that today. I had to put a hairband on. Okay, there's me now. Just waiting for the cool down. Yes, now it's makeup time. While it's cooling down, might as well just get my makeup on. Now, as I stated before, I'm not a makeup expert. The reason I'm doing videos on YouTube now is just, as I stated before, there's too many of these videos showing just brand new install. What happens when you wake up the next day? This wig's 8 months old. And basically, with it being, I'm contouring now. And no, I'm not an expert, so please don't ask me no questions. I might be able to answer some, but please. Anyway, as I was saying, it was all about basically showing you how your older wigs, well, not even your old wigs, your wigs after you've had that initial install, like you went to a hair salon, how you can just revamp them and just keep restyling them like if it was your own hair from the day you was born. So as you can see, this is 8 months old. Still dry, cooling down, not drying, it's cooling down. Baking time, yeah. I'm just baking the face now. Putting a bit of my highlighter on. Yeah, and just powdering off and just basically finishing off the look. And just giving it a bit more of my highlighter. Taking these rollers out now. That's right, it's time to let it cool down. And now I'm just giving that some shape and fixing. Takes a while sometimes. Sometimes you might get a look and think, yeah, I like that, and then you mess that up and then you start again. So it's just about working on it. As you can see, I decided that I needed a bit of curls, more definition. So I got my curling tongue out. Well, basically got it from Primark. It's a straightener and a curler. As stated to you on previous posts on Instagram or on YouTube, it's basically social media. Platform you see me is social media. Well, as I said before, this week's about 8 months old, and I just basically decided that after the one colour I kept it for a while, which it was blonde, decided that I wanted to do something more with it. So, what do you all think? Can't put no setting lotion or anything on yet for 24 hours because I learned that this week. A little bit more to see what I did, but I'm well happy with this. One buckle of a door and then the little residue at the bottom.